Good afternoon, Maddox students. Mr. Pardick, I am the PE teacher that has been assigned to you for this school year. I've been teaching over at Kennedy School. I will be doing remote learning with you, and if we ever go back into in-person instruction, I will be teaching at Maddox as well as Kennedy. I'm going to go over some things in this PowerPoint, ways to contact me, some expectations, things like that. First thing we're going to talk about is how to contact me. You can contact me by my email, which is located on this page. If you are in third grade, you can contact me through Seesaw, and fourth graders, can contact me directly through Microsoft Teams. Some expectations for online PE. PEs right now will be on Mondays and Thursdays. It could change, but right now it's Monday and Thursday. Lessons will be recorded for you to view. I will not be live. The time for these lessons is 2:45 to 3:15 every Monday and Thursday. If I assign you something, I expect it to be turned in for grading. Assignments will be due before the next lesson. For example, Monday's lesson, homework will be due, or assignments will be due by Thursday, and Thursdays the assignments will be due by the following Monday. Like I said, this is totally different for everybody. Different than what we did in the spring. In the spring, we did choice boards. Some expectations for you I have is, number one is to always try your best. Like I said, my lessons are pre-recorded. I will not be online when you're doing your activity. So if you're struggling or have questions, please contact me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Once again, contacting me through email or by direct messaging me through Teams is the best way to get in contact with me, or Seesaw if you're in third grade. In your assignments tab, you'll find the assignments. That's in Teams. And Seesaw, I believe, is under Activities. There will be a link connecting you to a video or PowerPoint that will be assigned for that lesson. Some of the lessons will be on YouTube as a video recording. So once again, you have to make sure you're able to access all those things. Fourth graders, we're also going to be using Flipgrid. So I will be sending you out a link to that through our PE Flipgrid channel. If you're having issues with the link, please let me know. I'll try to get back to you in a timely manner. I might send you a different link that will be able to get you to your assignment. Some of your assignments might be in a form of Google form that will be also being a link in your assignment tab for fourth graders. Third graders, all of your assignments will be in Seesaw. You'll be able to turn in a video or writing or whatever I'm asking you to do through Seesaw. Once again, the best way to contact me is by my email. Third graders, you can contact me through Seesaw or Teams. I'll answer both. And fourth graders, you can ask me questions or whatever you have if you have concerns through Microsoft Teams, or you can direct message me. Once again, this is a very different school year. I want to try to have as much fun as we can. There might be some things that you might not have at home that we're trying to do. Like if we have equipment that I'm using in here that you don't have, we'll just make do with what you do have. A lot of it might be mental reps, as we call them. But we'll get through the school year. Hopefully we'll get to meet in person. Until that day, we will be doing remote physical education. I look forward to having a great year with you.